Hello everyone. Today we are setting off an amazing road trip through southern Sri Lanka packed with history, nature and culture. We have just reached Tondra, which is the southern tip of Sri Lanka. This lighthouse is over 100-year-old and the view from here is just wow. And from here the ocean stretches all the way to Antarctica. There's this amazing breeze, almost no crowd, and such calm energy. It's a great way to start a journey. Next stop is Buduruvagal. It's a bit off to the main road, but it's worth it. The path to Buduruvagal is quiet and peaceful and surrounded by dry forests. This place is called Buduruvagal. It's not very popular with the tourists, but honestly, that's what makes it more special. These rock carvings are over 1,000 years old. You stand in front of them and there's this deep silence, like time just paused. It's so quiet here. There are no crowds, no noise, just you, the forest, and these ancient giants watching over you. It really makes you slow down and reflect. The central Buddha figure is about 16 meters tall, the tallest standing Buddha statue in Sri Lanka, carved into a rock face. The main figure is Buddha, and to the right of the Buddha is Avalokiteshvara, the Bodhisattva of compassion. And next to him there's a female figure believed to be Tara, a goddess rarely seen in Sri Lankan Buddhist art. And here you can see the inscription carved on the rock. It is written in Sinhala Brahmi script, and all of these are dated back to 10th century. Leaving Buduruvagal now, but I've got to say it's one of those places that feel sacred but also hidden. Now we are going to Ella, one of the most beautiful hill town on the island. Just look at this greenery as far as the eye can see. If you're lucky enough to visit Sri Lanka, take the time to walk through these fields, breathe in the air, feel the earth beneath your feet. Trust me, it's unforgettable. This is Ravna Fall, and you don't even have to hike, it's just right here. According to the legends, when Ravana kidnapped Sita, he is said to have hidden her in a cave behind this waterfall. and it is today known as Ravna Cave. This fall is most easily accessible, and you should literally take a pause here for even if it's for 10 minutes. It's really worth it. We have finally made it to Ella, and wow, this is a small town, but it's so beautiful. There are local shops, cute cafe, and people from all over the world. But we are already getting late and it's getting dark, so we'll find a hotel first and then maybe we will explore Ella tomorrow. We have reached our hotel. It's just a minute drive from Ella's main attraction. This is our room. Let's see the view from here. I can see nothing, just lights. And that's a cute little cafe. Let's go there. We're just having some tea here. We were really tired after the journey, and that's all for today. But tomorrow we'll be exploring more of Ella. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.